Oh, I could. Totally. Yeah.
So like I can stand right here, and then like that's the top of your tire.
You want to sit up,
Did you not see him throwing shit like 40 feet into the air? Look at his roof.
I was assured.
You walked right into it.
I walked right into it.
You almost made it.
Yeah.
We're gonna put 2 winches on you, my boy.
I'm already thinking what a great caption he's gonna be able to make for that.
The new Polaris is a piece of shit.
Sunk brand new built Polaris RZR. Totally destroyed. Wrecked RZR. What happened to the stack?
Oh yeah! Look at this insane rut you've done left. Mike, look at this.
So much for leave no trace, huh?
Look at this. That's ridiculous. That is like a 2-foot hole.
Hey, I was in there.
I can tell.
Let's go!
good, buddy. Good, man. You're good. Nice strength. This is kind of butt buckering. I bet. You're doing good. You're holding straight. Yeah, we're off, Dave. Stop the crux bit. No, it's off, Dave. Bob left it all. Yo, you're over it, dude. You're about to drop off. Straight back. Cut her down. There you go. You good? I can't see shit behind me. Do I just keep coming straight? Nate, turn right just a little bit.
Just like that.
Hold it right there, buddy. right, dude. You're on the home stretch.
How's that? Woo, boy!
Dude, I was fine until I bottomed right at the top. Tyler, can you guide me? Am I just straight back?
Yeah, just straight back. You're good.
I have any color in my face.
Wait, that good, huh? Good turn. Well, up there when you come back out. No, aren't you in like first gear? No, let's try second. Hit the hill in the bottom of second gear.
I was wrapping out second and I lost wheel speed. And then I hit that fucking rock high centered and my front wheel went. I'm like, uh-oh.
You said the one over to the right, not running out.
Let the color return to my face. That is probably the most I've been on.
That's a long way to roll, bro.
Yeah, a little bit.
We didn't look at you.
I was nervous walking up on you. I said, he's not rolling. I'm above.